Review problems number 1. The whole goal of these review problems, I'm going to go through 4 and 5 in this time, is if you can tell if these triangles are similar or not. So here's 2 versions. One of them is similar and one of them is not going to be similar. I'm just going to tell you that now. So is similar? Yes or no? We don't know yet. We can't answer this. So I'll show you how to use this organizer and then you can apply it. So if yes, you have to name the triangle and its corresponding parts. So when you name the triangles, you have to be really careful because each letter has to correspond with the appropriate vertex. And then by, so your answers in here are either going to be AA, SAS, or side, depending on what you have. So this says test. Short, this means the shorter side, like 8 and 6 is the shorter side. This means the longer side, 12 and 10. And the angle means that angle H is equal to angle U. So already, I feel like this is going to be side angle side because there's an angle here. Let's see if the sides are proportional. If they are proportional, then it is yes, they are similar. If they're not proportional, then it is no. So let's take the shorter sides. Let's call this triangle 1, and let's call this triangle 2. See, test, triangle 1, triangle 2. So that out of the short sides is 8 to 6 equal to 12 to 10. And if you simplify this by simplifying your fractions all the way, you're going to get 4 over 3 is not similar to 6 over 5. These are not similar. They're not proportional. 4 over 3 does not equal to 6 over 5. So, no. All right, let's try the next one. I already spoiled it because I said one of them is going to be similar and one of them is not going to be similar. So this one's yes. If yes, blah, blah, blah. This is tricky though, telling you which one it is. So we're going to test this. So my very favorite angle relationship are vertical angles. So angle AEB is equal to angle CED because vertical angles are equal, always. Now that's common knowledge to you. Now let's test. Let's test this. Maybe AE is proportional to ED. So maybe let's test AE is proportional to ED, the smaller triangle and the bigger triangle. Maybe that's equal to BE and CE. Who knows? This should be DE. It's not. This should be DE. Okay, let's try. AE is 4. DE is 12. Is that equal to 8 over 6? No. Right? No. This is like this is less than 1. This is great. No, it is not equal. Does that mean these triangles are not similar? Not necessarily. So this is one of the tests. So this did not work. So let's try this. Let's see let's put out of the small triangle, let's put the bigger numbers over the smaller number. So I'm just looking at this triangle here. So let's try BE to AE. And is that equal to DE over CE? So you do have to play around with the triangles a little bit. So BE is 8, AE is 4, DE is 12, and CE is 6. So yes, these are similar. This is equal to 2, this is equal to 2. Oh, interesting. So yes, it is similar, but we have to make sure the sides are corresponding. So let's do BEA. And which letter corresponds with B? B and D. So DEC. So the letters, you have to be really careful with these letters and they matter. So BEA is similar to DEC by side angle side. All right. If you wrote this in a different order than this one, and it still said BE and A, it would be incorrect. But if you write it this way, then it is correct. Bye.